If you want to completely flush all iptables rules and reset to an open firewall state, you should set the accept policy on all chains, flush all netfilter tables, and delete all iptables user-defined chains if there is any. This is useful to use at the beginning of any firewall script in order to flush everything and build it from the ground up. I'm creating a script named delete firewall.sh. The first step is to set the accept policy on all the chains of the filter table. They are input, output, and forward. Forward chain is used only for routed packets, and that means that the Linux machine has also the function of a router. iptables -p input accept, iptables -p output accept, and iptables -p forward accept. The second step is to flush all tables that have rules. iptables -t filter -f, iptables -t net -f, iptables -t mangle -f, and iptables -t ra, the last table, -f. If the table has no rule, nothing happens. And lastly, delete user-defined chains, if any. This is optionally and needed only if there are user-defined chains. We'll talk about user-defined chains in another lecture. iptables -x. If you are using ipset to drop large collections of IP addresses like entire countries, you should also flush and destroy the sets. There will be a dedicated section about ipset later in the course. Okay, that's all. I am saving the script. Then I make it executable and run it. The iptables firewall has been cleared out and all traffic is permitted. By the way, this is also the default state of a Linux operating system.